In this video, we're going to test, remove, and replace the motor fans on my Traxxas X-Maxx 8S. This test procedure will work on any fan system that is set up in the same configuration. Start by removing the receiver cover to gain access to the receiver itself and the fan wiring. Inspect the plug and wiring for defects and damage. You'll see that I found damage on the ground wire. The wire itself looks to be in good shape, so I will continue with diagnosis. We're going to test the circuit with a multimeter. The one I have is a very nice rebranded Fluke, but you can use any cheap unit to do the job. Set the meter to DC volts. Make sure that the meter is set up correctly and working. You can do this by testing a known good source like a battery. I accidentally shorted the positive and negative together with my meter lead. This will cause the receiver to overload and turn off. This is good to know. If you have a receiver that turns off intermittently, there is a good chance that you have too much load on the receiver due to a bad fan or too many accessory lights. As you can see, I'm getting about 6 volts at the fan connector. In this case, I have power and ground, but the fans are not working. The fans must be bad. If you didn't have power or ground at the fan connector, you could have a bad wire, connector, or no power from the receiver. You could verify with a new fan or connect your fan to another known good system. This is definitely my real voice. It's for sure not AI. Remove the fans with a pick or small flat blade screwdriver. Thank you for watching my videos. I put a lot of time and effort into making the best, quick, to-the-point repair videos. Hopefully I've earned a like or a subscribe. If not, let me know what I can do better. The Power Hobby fans snap into place in the factory locations. No modifications were needed. I used some electrical tape to protect the fan wires. This is not a necessary step. I did it because my wires had a bit of damage. I found it was a lot easier to remove the motor from the truck to reinstall the fan assembly. The fan assembly screws into the motor heat sink. Reinstall the motor and secure with the 4 screws. Make sure to tighten everything by hand. Plug the fans into the correct slot on the receiver. If you've seen my videos in the past, you'll know this is the first that is narrated. Let me know if you enjoy the narration or dislike it. Test everything before putting the truck back together. Reinstall the receiver cover and motor gear cover. Bob's your uncle.